Similar to most handheld electronic devices, often batteries will deteriorate over time and not hold charge for as long. Today I'm going to show you how to change a battery on a VBOX Sport. If you have a Richter mount attached to the back of your VBOX Sport, please remove this first. The next stage is to use a PZ1 screwdriver to remove the 3 screws on the back of the casing holding it together. Please make sure you keep track of these screws. Once you've removed all the screws from the back, carefully turn the unit over and then pull from the corner to remove the top panel. Next, you'll have to remove the rubber seals at the back of the unit and then carefully pull the rubber layer off. Find the battery connector at the bottom right and remove the plug. Next, you'll have to remove the PCB. Please be careful to keep the antenna connected as you do so. Remove the old battery and replace it with the new one in the same orientation with the power connector at the bottom right. Once you've got your new battery inside the casing, please grab your PCB and be careful to line up all the grooves correctly. Next, take the power connector from the bottom right and reconnect it into the plug on the PCB. Once you've reconnected the power, you have to grab your rubber seal, place that back on the casing, then grab your front panel and place that on while making sure that the screw holes of the front panel match up with the PCB screw holes. Now that the unit's reassembled, please carefully turn the unit over and replace the screws. With the unit fully reassembled, please press and hold the power button to make sure that the unit turns on.